Giraffe withdrawals can be denied when your account, reward activity, or payout details do not meet the app's requirements. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Giraffe withdrawal fails, what steps to check before requesting another payout, and how to fix the most common account issues. The first thing to check is your withdrawal status and account information inside the Giraffe app. A denied withdrawal usually means something prevented the payout from being processed. Start by checking that your payout details are entered correctly. If the payment information connected to your account has an error, the withdrawal may not complete. Next, review your completed offers and game activity. Giraffe rewards are connected to eligible activities, so incomplete tasks or activities that do not meet the offer requirements may not count toward your balance. If your account shows coins or rewards that you expected to withdraw, open the offer details and confirm that all required steps were completed. Some offers require specific actions before rewards are approved. Another step is checking for account verification issues. If Giraffe asks you to verify information, complete that process before trying another withdrawal request. You should also make sure you are using the official Giraffe app and the latest app version. Updating the app can help prevent problems caused by outdated software. If your withdrawal was denied after following all requirements, contact Giraffe support through the app. Include details such as your account information, the withdrawal issue, and any error message shown. Avoid creating multiple accounts to solve withdrawal problems. Multiple accounts can create additional issues and may affect your ability to receive rewards. The best way to prevent future withdrawal problems is to complete offers carefully, keep your account information accurate, and check the payout requirements before requesting money. The key points are simple. Verify your payout details, confirm that your activities qualify for rewards, and contact support if the issue continues. Your next step is to open Giraffe, review your withdrawal details, and check whether your completed offers match the requirements. If this guide helped you fix a Giraffe withdrawal issue, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes and earning guides.